Imagine a world where your business thrives, unfettered by the constraints of limited capital or compliance concerns. Now stop imagining, because this world is within your reach. Introducing the Business Development and Funding Workshop, a one-of-a-kind event hosted by A.N.D, LLC, and Positive Credit Builders. This transformative event takes place on the 21st of October, 2023 at Ohio Selfie World in Old Brookland, Ohio. At this workshop, we dive deep into the nitty-gritty of business compliance. We ensure your business information is accurate and standardized across the Secretary of State, the IRS, Dun & Amp, Bradstreet, Google, and 411. But we don't stop there. We guide you on building business credit with Net 40 accounts and business service subscriptions. We discuss the importance of aligning your banking, cash flow, accounting, taxes, and finances, paving the way for your business to qualify for high-limit business lines of credit and loans. Now, you may be thinking, all this sounds great, but what about my personal credit? We've got you covered. The price for attendance includes full credit repair services, preparing you for funding within 90 days of leaving this workshop. In a nutshell, you leave this workshop with your business in compliance, equipped with the knowledge and strategies to access the capital your business desperately needs. So, are you ready to transform the future of your business? To register and speak to one of our consultants, follow the link in our bio. The world of successful business awaits you.